Now she different, I can see it in her eyes. Get into the money, she been focused on the grind. Like a diamond, only gonna shine bright. She keep on living her life.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wayda's World. It's your girl Theonlywayda, and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is a revenge prank because mom had the audacity to faint on me. So today I have some, how do you do this? I'm still not used to this. I have some fake blood and I'm gonna cough up the fake blood to see what she does. And this stains, but like, I hope it doesn't stain my teeth. But if it does, that's how dedicated I am to get her back. But first I'm gonna look for like saran wrap, see if I can put on my teeth, and then I'm gonna spray it and cough it up. She won't notice, but anyway, guys, I'm going to summon her down here, and then on her chest. All right, so I'll be back. Get in this kitchen immediately.
Why?
It's time.
Why? Why?
It's time for my cooking show.
What?
Time for my cooking show.
Oh, cooking show. Ooh, y'all cook?
We're cooking. So guys, we have mom here.
Hi guys.
We're going to get in the kitchen and start cooking.
I'm not cooking.
Ow. Ache, pain in the neck. Ooh, that's why I
Get
need you.
one.
That's why I need you in here to cook.
You mean I feel pain too?
Well, that's why we're in here to get her.
You see me? So my body start itching already. As me see you, me start itch.
What do you mean? Two pain cancel
No,
out.
no. As me ear, as
Two pain cancel out. One pain.
as me hear you say cook, me start itch.
Yeah, we're gonna cook today.
No, Cheddar, you can't cook me tired.
Okay, let's find something to cook.
No, you find it. You not
No,
pick
you
out
find
no.
it. You pick and I cook.
Me when me pick it out, no, never end up cook. No, you
No,
pick
you're
it.
not. You pick it and I do it. You pick it and I do it. Please. Please. Come now.
One salmon and rice.
Get the salmon out the freezer.
No, me no want tin salmon.
So get the salmon out the cupboard. My chest is hurting, you know, I feel a little tightish. Not gonna lie. It's on the other side. Open the next cupboard door.
What is in the salmon? Mr. Tony. Jada, what do you?
Nothing.
Jada!
Hmm?
No salmon of the year, tuna of the year. Jada!
Hmm?
What the fuck?
I told you my chest was feeling tight.
I faint want me faint, and me can't take blood. What about? Jada, wash out your mouth. Call your father. Don't forget call your father, class. Jada! The fuck? Not to open the plate. Wash out your mouth. That look like you have weight name, consumption, all kind of dunction. Jada, something you eat. Oh shit. You want me to call the ambulance here because you have cough up blood? That is not a good sign. Ew! Jada, me can't help you, bro. Me can't take the blood. It's too much.
Oh, Daddy.
No, stop. I can't take them now. What did you eat? You have a cold? But take me need to call the ambulance, Jada.
I'm standing, I'm fine. I'm standing tall.
Yeah, but chest pain no good if blood come out of your chest. Come out of... I forgot. What my phone there?
Don't call the ambulance. I'm fine.
Yeah, but me I go call grandma or somebody and ask them what is.
Okay.
You can't take blood, you know. Do you want when somebody a cough up blood, one to them?
If somebody a cough up blood, them can have lung cancer. They can have cancer in them lungs, you know, because they have blood that come up to somewhere around here. Or depends on how much of blood. If them have just like something, they can have a sore throat and you cough and blood come up.
A bit of blood that come out of Jada throat.
What a Jada throat.
Yeah.
So,
She say her chest a hurt her, but I tell her I'm call the ambulance. Now I'm call the ambulance.
well, she can also have her tonsil, like tonsillitis too. But usually when you have blood that come through your throat, but she not have no lung, but some can run with her lungs still. You understand me? Some can run with her lungs.
Now I'm call her back.
So what if I even want her blood?
Only problem is just wash out, but I can't stand the blood because I don't want to faint.
Like when we have a nosebleed.
Yeah.
When we have a nosebleed and you have only blood, because sometimes when your nose are carried me, when the nose are bleeding, blood go down in my throat and then it puts me out in my hand.
Oh, I know if I know, me just hear she call me.
You know, so one upstairs, let me see her.
She not upstairs, she there right here, so.
Let me see her.
What clot time if you turn me something, you touch something.
Here, I can talk to grandma. Grandma?
Usually when the blood, sometimes when the blood comes out in your throat, it will
Grandma.
be like, yes?
Don't worry. It's just a prank. It's just a prank. Don't worry. It's just a prank. I wasn't messing with you. I was messing with her. And she called you. It wasn't for you, but she messed with you. And I was messing.
Really, guys, I'm saying that she had lung cancer. Usually when you have lung cancer, you have lung. You know what? Bye.
Thanks, Grandma. It wasn't. This was not meant for you. Blame her. But I couldn't because you were talking about lung cancer and nosebleed and all them stuff there, so I had to stop it.
Because when my nose is bleeding, it goes down in my throat. Sometimes I will spit out the blood.
Jada, don't high five me.
No, I'm just showing you the stain.
You know like Jada, you know?
Guys pranking me?
No! I was pranking her, but she didn't know what to do. She said, "Oh God, the blood. Let me call Juan or something and talk."
Okay, alright.
Bro, you not even know what you said. Lord God, my poor granny. It's okay, don't worry about I am good. Why call my granny and frighten my granny for?
Girl, let's say your chest tight.
It was just for you. That's what you get.
Okay, guys. Alright.
You know me, I'm gonna stop to pranking now.
Go take a nap, Grandma. Go take a nap.
I'm gonna stop
And you don't worry. You let me.
I call you because you figure say you would have more idea. Because me can't think when you cough up blood is what. I don't know how me I try to think what it is. She tell me say me now cook the salmon and rice. And then all of a sudden her chest tight. But fish have fridge with me because she don't want to cook it. But me not cook it. Say that she will cook, me not cook it. Don't play with me. That's why your teeth and your mouth and everything went red and can't.
Let me go check myself. Because
Later, yeah, I'm going to go sleep. Fuck yeah, prank. I prank me for make me a call the woman. No, the woman thinks I will prank her.
oops! Gotcha!
That is a gotcha.
Ew! The blood on my chin and.
Well, that's the way you are.
What do you mean?
Me don't like you.
Gotcha.
You touch me?
How you feel?
I'm okay.
You cannot outdo the doer. You cannot take command.
I am command. Daughter, I am command.
No. You cannot take command.
Oh, you mean to take command when me a command?
Guys, I got her so good.
You don't got me.
I got you good.
You don't got me.
I got you good.
I got your granny.
No, you get my granny. Oh, poor grandma. This was not for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Blame she.
Well, we did think there's something wrong, so I called sir. Who you expect me to call first?
This stained my tongue though.
I water.
Girl, I did not taste good. That's what I
I good. So.
could have nearly dead.
So you know, the rice and
No.
you not cooking little food? Oh. You know
Are you gonna help me?
You know you can't get me come back. You do not cooking enough.
Are you gonna help me?
No.
You make the rice, I'll make the salmon.
Me not make nothing. Me I finish my laundry, sleep and go watch John Wick and get up early for go to my work.
Well guys, that is the end of the video. I had to end it quick because they're
Well
getting too worried for me.
Jada is too much.
No, I'm not.
Too much.
You're too much.
I'm gonna go pop on your ass.
Yeah,
Yes.
even cough on you.
Pop white shirt?
Yeah.
You can't wash white girl? Okay, so you know what's gonna happen if you
Excuse
my
me.
wife. That make you burp. Look.
Anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you know next time that I post, and let me know if I got her good, because I know I did.
No, she
You should have
didn't.
hit for real.
No. What?
Oh, blood. Anyway guys, we are out of here. Say bye.
Bye guys, love you.